Most people using AI don't realize this, but one small thing is controlling your cost, speed, and limits. It's called tokens. When people use AI, one of the most important things to understand is tokens. A token is not exactly a word. It can be part of a word, a full word, or even punctuation. So when you write a prompt and the model gives you an answer, both sides use tokens. Why does this matter? First, pricing. Most AI models charge based on tokens. That means the more you send in and the more the model writes back, the more it costs. Second, latency. More tokens usually mean more time. A short prompt with a short answer is faster. A long prompt or a very long response can slow things down. Third, model limits. Every model has a maximum token limit, often called the context window. That limit includes your input and the model's output together. So if your prompt is already very long, there is less space left for the answer. The simple way to think about it is this. Tokens affect three things. Cost, more tokens, higher cost. Speed, more tokens, slower response. Limits, more tokens, less room in the context window. So if you want cheaper, faster, and more efficient AI apps, start by managing tokens well. A short closing line could be, AI is not just about prompts, it's also about how many tokens you spend to get the result. If your AI app feels slow or expensive, it's probably not the model, it's your tokens.